All right, so now let's keep going on this training. So we are at the DNS section over here. So we already own this domain beyondcloud.online. So what we're going to do right now is like we're going to execute a command wherein which we are going to create a DNS record or DNS zone. So here gcloud DNS manage zones, and then we're going to create OCP zone over here with the DNS name of gcp.beyondcloud.online, and this is going to be the website name of the DNS name of the website, and then this is going to create a DNS record over here. Let's wait for it to get executed. So it's just created an OCP zone right now, and it has made it public. So this visibility is public, which means that it's online. Now we need to take the description of the name server so that we can fill it on the names sheet. Name sheet requires your DNS name. So these are the DNS name which needs to be part of it. I already have AWS in there. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to add it with existing ones. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to open name sheet. There you go. Now over here, I already have these custom domain names over here on the name server, and you can see that it's all pointing to the AWS one. I'm going to add more over here. So I'm just going to use all the values which has come over here. I'm going to hit the tick mark. Is there something went wrong? Okay, it's saved anyway. Let me refresh it just to make sure that it's all. Oh, okay, I've logged off. Just a second. I need to authenticate. We have two-factor authentication here. All right, now let's go add these ones because I think the session got expired last time, so I couldn't do that. Save it. All right, so it may take up to 48 hours to take effect. So I don't think it's gonna immediately, see a result over here. But you can use this option to check the result. So you can use dig GCP dot beyond cloud dot online. And then basically it is still pointing to AWS. You can see it's just going. GCP doesn't matter, it's a record, so it basically goes to the Beyond Cloud Online. It's still pointing to Amazon, so it may take some time for it to reroute to also to come in to other things. I need to check whether I should remove the AWS as well because it may cause unnecessary confusion, I guess. So I'll just remove these and put these right there so that it doesn't cause any confusion. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. So it may take some time for it to take effect. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna keep trying this. Okay, so it's telling the old one. So it may take about 30, almost an hour for it to reflect what I have noticed so far. It's like almost an hour or so to get the new DNS name, name service name populated. So let's wait for an hour and then get back to you. So once this comes in, once you are getting the Google item over here, then we are good on the DNS. So we can go ahead and do the OC installation, OpenShift installer, and all those things. You can do that after this. That's what we're gonna do. And then we are going to create a install config just like how we did it for AWS, and then we are going to run that install config across your GCP. All right, so that is what is pending right now. So once this is completed, I will just start the next video. I would not be pausing or unpausing the video because this may take a long time than expected. So once it comes through, probably my guess is it's already 9 p.m. So which means that probably it should come to effect like next day. So I'll keep monitoring. Once it comes up on the next day, then we can start doing the next set of hands-on. Thanks again for watching this video. See you in the next one.